right?
Yes, we can.
Okay. And listen very carefully. If this something you are not able to understand or something you are not able to catch it, you are going to ask me the question, okay? But I'm expecting all of you having that base knowledge of that routing switching. Okay, even though if you have you think that it is a very silly question you are going to ask me, no problem at all.
Yes, I have one question. So regarding that examinations, so
Yeah.
if I complete my end course, so am I ready to get a exam? Means plan to give
Yes.
the exam.
Yes.
After
Yes. You
that,
can do.
once I'll get a certification, then I plan to go for routing and switching, routing part.
No, I didn't get you.
No, I plan for switching, and there
Hmm.
once I give the exam, then I plan for routing. So is it okay to give the exams and all?
That is trend is changed, Santosh. Your name is Santosh, right?
Right.
So now it is a combined exam. You don't have switching separately, routing separately.
Yeah, okay. That is I do have a doubt
Hmm.
because previously how it is means if you
It
want
is.
to get
I
a
know that.
certificate, you have
Uh,
to get three exams: routing, switching, and
uh,
troubleshoot.
Now it is not like that. You have a
Right.
single paper
Okay, that I'm
under.
not aware. Please
Yeah, yeah,
explain.
yeah. So see that under that in Corna, so specialized paper we have. One we have a professional paper and multiple we have a specialized paper. Just now one guy asked me, right? SD man. So SD
Hmm.
man is a one specialized paper under that CCIE EI, right? So EI is a track. Enterprise infrastructure is a track. In that track you have associate paper, professional paper, and then expert paper. The three category paper we have. Done. In professional paper we are calling as a encore, or right. So that CCNP is your professional paper, CCNA your associate paper, and CCI is your expert level of paper. Now the trend which we have 8 years back, where we have a separate switching paper, separate routing paper, and separate troubleshoot paper, right? So right now the trend is changed. You have the only one paper that is called CCNP.
Oh, only one paper for
Yeah,
CCNP. You get certified
yeah,
only
yeah.
one
So
paper.
only one paper. So that is your
Okay.
professional paper, right? And after that, I will show you here. One second.
Okay, so no need to give the exam for routing and switching.
Nothing. It is
Oh,
come
got
come
it.
together, come
Hmm,
together.
got it.
Right. So this is your whole that walk you through. I'm here. So everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes,
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 yeah,
sir.
see, it's visible.
Yeah. See, it is a very big data center setup, right? And that part we are going to do that when you comes under the DC, where we are going to get the knowledge of your switching part, right? When you are going to comes under that headquarter, we are going to get the knowledge of the switching part, and they have the interconnectivity, right? Coming to that service provider, where you are going to get the knowledge of that MPLS as well as BGP, right? And if you look at here, that we have the vManage, we have the vSmart, we have the vBond, and we have the two branches, right? Branch one and branch two. So mainly these two branch we are going to deal with that SD-WAN branch. Okay, we have the branch 3 and 4 as well, which is the part of your DMVPN. So this is your hub, and then from the hub you have the two spoke side, branch 3 and branch 4. So it looks like that when I'm going to explain you, looks like that, sir, it is a very 5 section divide into the each other, and it is not a very easy thing. So you have the lot of the things here into the DC. You have the lot of the things into the headquarter, right? You have a lot of the things into IAS. So mainly this whole section we are going to divide. This whole section part we are going to divide into the 5 part. Okay. First part we have L2 technology. Second part we have the L3 technology. Third we have the SD-WAN.
Sir, your voice is breaking and as well as also screen is not showing.
Sam,
Yeah,
are you trying to write something or like
yeah, yeah,
well,
yeah. I know that it is. I said only one screen. That's why.
yes,
But
yes.
but my voice is breaking. That is for
No, no, that
everybody
No,
is
no,
fine.
your
That is
voice is
fine.
clear.
That is crisp and clear.
because I said only one screen. That's why it is not visible to you. I'm
Yeah,
going to say.
only the screen part is not.
Mhm. So I'm going to share you that port as well.
Hello, sir, I don't get your voice.
It's on mute.
Okay.
Now you can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So when I'm not talking, then how can you hear you, right? So now the 5 part which we are going to divide into that whole syllabus here, right? So L2 and L3 technology, basically it is a core network part that it is come under their core network. Then you have that second part, SDN, which we are going to cover the SD-WAN. Here you have that in the MVPN as well. Okay. So that entire part I will give you tomorrow. What just overall part I'm talking about, what actually the 5 part consists. We have that core network, we have that SDN, that is we have the SD-WAN, right? So I'm going to remove that one so that you are not confused on that. SD-WAN part 2, and we have that SD access or part we have the security. In the security you have the IS and plus DNAC. Entire blueprint tomorrow I will give you. Okay. So just the overall knowledge which you have, and 5th part we have the programming. So in the programming I will walk you through the automation. How can you automate the thing? And in your existing environment, if you have that 30 GB of RAM, right? And if you have the 8 core also, you can set up your lab. So image I have, I will give you. So that is extra help I'm going to give you. So I have the image which is going to support your in GNS as well as the Eve engine, right? So if you look at that my home environment, I have the own setup. right? So if you go to share you the entire screen, so that it is going to help you out all the things. Now you can see that, right? What
Uh,
you
the
can see? Blank
black
screen.
screen. Yeah.
Perfect. So now what you can see?
Now we can see the
Okay.
print
Now, yeah. Now what you
paint
can,
actually.
yeah. What now you can see? It's my lab.
VMware. Yeah.
It is my lab. Okay. It is not for you. It is my lab. So I have the all images and all. If you want to set up your lab, you can do that, right? Now what you can see right now here, it's your lab, right?
Yes.
So if you just wipe the device and you are going to log in here. So this part is clear, guys, all of you. This part is clear or not? Entire blueprint tomorrow I will give you. So this 5 part is clear or not? Which come under the encore,
Yes.
right?
Can you
Sorry,
magnify?
sir, I was just connected.
Now,
Please repeat again.
what I'm saying that these 5 part which we are going to cover under the encore CCNP, it is clear all of you or not? In the core network section, we are going to cover L2 technology, L3 technology, DMBPN,
Can
right?
you increase the font size, sir? We are not able to clearly see
Now,
now. It's okay, sir. It's visible. I will be taking screenshot this one.
if it is not clear, then I will make you for you larger. I want you should be happy.
Sir, this is your full blueprint of Encore.
Blueprint tomorrow I will give you. I'm just giving you today that overall picture, right? So it is not like that. So here, 1 second, I need to go for that. Control A. 1 second, you don't take the screenshot, okay? If the 5 part is not coming here. So I will make it as a 15. 5 part is coming here. I'm going to copy this one. Control C, right? And for you guys, I'm going to making into that notepad.
Yeah, I have one doubt. In this one, ENRSI and Encore is there? Is an NRSI is a part of Encore?
Yeah, it is a separate specialist paper. You have the ENRSI. So
That is
Encore paper is the NP, CCNP.
okay.
Okay, 1 second.
So Sam, like to make ENARSI, we don't need of Encore, right?
No, that is specialist paper. Single
So we
paper.
just but we want a basic paper of CCNA, right? For that.
Yes, that you
Okay.
got a basic. Any
Okay.
paper, first you go through the CCNA. If you don't have the
Okay.
CCNA, you don't write to any paper. You are not eligible for that. And if
Okay.
the Cisco is going to change something, that is different thing. But
Mhm.
always you should have the CCNA. It is a mandatory.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, CCNA certification is mandatory.
No, what I'm saying that if you're going for the right now, 1 second, just give me 1 second.
So, you define basic difference between NRC and Encore exam.
Mm.
Exactly.
As a 5 year.
I will walk you through. I will walk. I know that you have a lot of the question, ki sir, NRC and the CCNP core. What is the difference between that? Which is whether we have a one specialized paper we are calling as a NRC, right? Or whether what is that you have the CCNP. I will walk you through all. You just be there. No need to worry.
I just complete my NRC course, but still confusing in this part.
Mm. You will not confuse. Just 1 second, guys. I'm going to give you the track. I thought you guys knows this. You can see my screen, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
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 Yes, sir. We
So
are getting.
perfect. So if you go for that CCNP exam, forget about that ENRSI or something. Just so there is a two track. You have CCNA, one base level paper, then you have the CCNP, right? Then you have a CCI. Done. This is the three things only going to cover under the enterprise. Okay. We are not talking about the wireless or not. It is a different track. So we are going to talk about the routing switching track. In the routing switching track, start with the CCNA, then it will go to the CCNP, then it will go to that CCI lab. Done. CCNA, CCNP, CCI. Very basic thing. Clear, right? Yes or no? These three part is clear or
Yes.
not?
Yes, yes.
Coming to the specialized paper, if somebody wants to write any specific paper under that enterprise, so what paper do we have? We are going to get from here. So up to here is clear or not? Is our first basic paper is CCNA, which is going to cover whole the syllabus of that routing switching. Then we have a on the top of advanced level of paper which called CCNP enterprise, because now that routing switching name is going to change as an enterprise. Make sense? And sir, we have the third and the last paper, we have a CCI. Okay. Under that enterprise, sir, what are the specialized paper we have? We are going to get it from here. Done? So once you are a specialized paper, you are going to look from here. So what specialized paper do we have, sir? Cisco certifies specialized enterprise core. This is one specialized paper we have, right? Cisco certifies specialized enterprise advanced infrastructure implementation. This one paper we have where we are going to cover the sub syllabus. Then we have in under this place we have the SD-WAN one paper. Done. And under the specialized we have a one design paper. Done. Are you getting up my point or not? Here, when you are going for the specialized paper enterprise wireless, it is come under the wireless. So under the specialized, how many paper you have? enterprise core, which we are right now, we are going to do that, right? The paper which you are going to enroll for that, which is going to come under the CCNP. Then we have another enterprise advanced infrastructure implementation. And we have a SD-WAN and we have design. These four paper come under your enterprise section. Done? Yes or no? Picture clear or not?
Okay, so this one is in a different part of different part, right? Because CCNP encore is there, and this is a specialist encore, right?
Yeah. Under the specialist, we have the four paper. One,
Okay,
we have a implementation. One, we have a SD-WAN. One, we have a design. We are dealing with that one of the paper, which is we are calling as a NP, that is called enterprise core. So this is the track under the enterprise. We can see that here. So same track, you have the DevNet, data center, right? Collaboration. Cybersecurity is not the part of your CCI track. CCI track, we have a collaboration, data center, DevNet, enterprise, security, service provider, and design we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are the 7 CCI track. Right now we are talking about the routing switching, which is called enterprise. Under the enterprise, these are that specialized paper. If you go back, and you can see that this is our NP paper, right? CCNP enterprise. Yes or no? Which we are going to deal right now. So if you click on that, then you comes to know that CCNP enterprise certification. Done. Or you have a doubt, you just tell me.
Got it. Just to add one more questions.
Yeah.
The thing is like the name itself, as like you mentioned, it is completely changed to enterprise, right? So
Yes,
there is nothing called now CCNP actually. It's enterprise. Under enterprise, we are making CCNP, right?
correct.
Okay,
So
got
if you get this certificate, if you want to get this certificate, encore paper we need to clear, and as well as one specialized paper we need to clear. You just see that one of the 7 CCNP enterprise concentration paper, if I want to clear, if both the paper do we have, then we are going to certify as a CCNP paper, we are going to get that. This logo Cisco is going to release for me. They will
it.
give me that. You can download this logo. Again, you can put in your resume. When I'm going to clear encore paper, which I'm going to teach you, and one concentration paper. Concentration means specialist is just one specific area of that our EI, that paper you are going to clear, then you are going to get that.
so this one will also cover in our CCNP, right?
That part I will cover you. So this is that 7 exam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one of the paper you are going to clear, right? This is one of the paper you are going to clear, as well as you are going to clear one core exam.
That is encore.
Ah,
Okay, encore plus ENA RSA is a ENA is a additional consultative program, right?
yes.
So you mean
You,
to say the two certification need to be done?
yes. This is paper you need to clear, as well as you are
And
going to clear the core exam, which I am going to teach you.
Okay.
That's why this paper. So when you are going to take that CCNP whole course, I will give you this idea as well as core idea. Both you are getting here.
Okay.
But you have to write this paper as well as you have to write the core paper. That core is my responsibility, which I'm going to give the solution. I will give you the question set. It's okay. We need to purchase that one. So we will work together and we are going to purchase certain amount. We are going to purchase that one. Then we are going to distribute all across our group. You are going to study in a group. Then you can go for exam. That is not a very big amount. We are not to pay that. It's a very small amount. We are going to pay that 20,000-30,000 is there. We are group together. We are going to purchase that one. We will verify the solution. Now you go for exam. All the member of your group is going to clear the exam. So that core paper I'm talking about, right? And this paper and the core paper we are going to clear. Then you have the CCNP. Make sense or not? Still you have a doubt?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
both
Now I have understood.
sir,
Clear.
two exam we have two different fees or maybe one fee, sir.
Both you are same track. Now when I'm going to teach you that CCNP, That is
No,
called
no,
ENCORE.
I'm asking about for certification. We have to pay for the two exam, two certification fee.
Yes. This paper, different sets of that question we have, and that is we have different sets of question. So what I'm saying that in a group we are going to work together, and it is a very small amount which we are going to work on this paper as well as the core paper.
No. Basically, for getting certified, we
Hmm.
have to give two exams, right?
Yes, you're absolutely
For
right.
two exams, different timeline means like 2 hours, correct? One exam, 2 hours means we have to give two exams. If we pass, then only we get certified, right?
Absolutely right. So
Uh,
first you are going to give the core exam. After 15 days, you can give this exam. It
hmm.
doesn't mean that ki one single day I'm going to exam and I will sit for both exam. No. Today I will go encore exam, and after 1 month I will write this exam. That's all.
So one exam for is a theoretical part, another part is a practical, sir, or lab, maybe both at a,
Both we have lab.
oh,
So in both the exam, you are not going to get a lab into the exam, but encore, which I am going to teach you, encore 350401, that which I am going to teach you, that exam you are going to get a 2-3 labs. Means simulator is there. You can click on the device, then you can run the command. You are going to get the output. That I will teach you later on. For preparation the exam, I will give you that 3 days class. That overview I will give you. This is the pattern of the exam. This type of the question coming. You need to practice in this way. You just follow my word and go for the practice. That's all.
and sir, can you show me, sir, what is the cost of these two exam price for certification?
That one first encore you have the $450, and this one you have that $300.
Oh,
And so, but
okay.
both exam is a very value for you, right? This exam you're writing and the encore exam writing. When the moment you are going to write the encore exam, you are eligible for the lab. For the lab exam, you no need to write the written paper. You are eligible. Are you getting my point? When you're writing
Yes,
the
sir.
CCI lab, you no need to write any directly. You go for the lab. $16 you pay and you go for the exam. That's all.
You mean to say that the for CCIE we have a two labs, two exams, right? One is a lab
Ah,
and one is a theory. So
ah,
if I complete CCNP, then we can go directly for the CCIE lab
directly.
exam.
Yes. That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
is
If
it?
you clear this paper and that core paper you clear, you no need to write anything. You have the core paper directly. You go for the lab exam.
Oh, is it? Then good.
Yeah. So because in both the paper you are going to get the CCI certification, as well as in your company you can show that I am a CCI theory certified. Both you have. I am a CCNP certified, as well as in the company you can show that I am a CCI theory certified, not the lab certified. I am a CCI theory certified. That
So
encore.
okay, so you mean to say that after completion of these two exams, I'm getting certified. I'm become a CCIE
Written certified.
written certified.
Written certified.
Okay, got it.
Both.
Sir, what is the expiration date of this certificate? NP Enterprise Certification expiration date?
Sorry, I didn't get you. What? Oh, can you repeat once again? What?
No, basically, he's asking for that certification course duration means expiration.
Which
So,
I'm going to teach you.
no. If I completed the exam,
Hmm.
Sir,
okay.
I
So,
just asking.
Hmm.
Sir, I just
Please.
asking for a certificate validation. Mean 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It's
Hmm.
expiration date. I just
Yeah.
basically trying to
Yeah.
asking.
Yeah. So in core, you have the validity of 18 months. After that, you can write that CCA lab. Okay. Once you have the CCNP means you have that core exam clear, plus one, you have the concentration paper. You become the CCNP having a 3 years of validity. Are you getting my point? Once
Hello,
you have
sir.
the CCNP, it is valid for 3 months, 3 years.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually, I want to know that's for CCNP certified, we have to clear both exams like CCNP and RCN, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That both you need to clear. You no need to worry about that. This core and that both that solution we have, you are going to clear the exam. Just you concentrate on what I'm saying you. That's all. So okay, guys. So one device, I'm going to log in there, and just I'm going to close the today's session. Tomorrow we will join. So you can see that. So what version we have into the device right now, right? So we have that it is a iOS XE, right? And we are running the 70.09. If you look at that configuration here, nothing configured, right? So what is configured here? OSP we are going to configure here. So just I'm want to show that what are the version of the device we are going to use it here. So if you see that all the our router version, we are going to use that 17.09. Okay, it is a XE. So no need to worry about that. This one, he said what BGP where you forget about this thing. Just I'm showing you. Okay. So this all the router we are going to use the 17.x, which is going to capable of your high-end configuration, which is going to support your most of the security thing here. If you look at here, see here, Cisco 8000V, right? So it is a high-end capable device which is going to support your edge as well. Cisco 8000V, it is a what is the iOS? It is the iOS XE also there, right? In that 8000V. So you have the iOS XE, which is going to work as a edge as well. So simple router we are going to use as a edge as well. So if you log into that here also into the edge, then you comes to know that what I'm talking about. It is a router only. We are going to use as a edge.
You mean edge router?
Yeah. Edge means it's a branch edge device. So
Okay.
basically it is a router only,
Okay.
8000V. And just I'm going to show you that both the iOS version is same, right? That's why
Okay. I couldn't catch you up like edge or edge. So that's what.
it is a edge.
Okay.
Oh, but these are the virtual devices or physical devices, hardware devices?
It is all virtual.
Virtual. Okay.
You know, all virtual. I have set up this lab.
Mhm.
Right?
Sam, do you prefer E or the GNS?
See, I have both the lab. If you look at my lab setup now,
Okay.
I'm a virus of the network. So network is in my blood. So
Okay.
if you look at the lab, I have both GNS and that Eve, right? It is a Eve only. It is my
Okay.
lab. If you're going to log into the my lab, then you comes to know that. So what is the IP? 130, right?
Yes.
No, basically we don't have any deep knowledge on EV and also that how we'll cover this one
I have no
because
knowledge. I have no knowledge. Why you are worried about that? When your teacher having a knowledge, then you should have the knowledge, right?
uh,
When a teacher knows everything, then why you are worried?
Uh, just a quick question, Sam. Like, have you publicly hosted your IV?
No. It is not publicly, but image I have. You can set up your own lab, but you
Okay.
can practice here. Here
Those
in the
IPs, those cloud 38.225 is a private
it,
IP or is a
obviously it is a private IP, class C IP, right? You comes to know that that IP has to do the NAT, then you can access over the publicly. So these you can access over the public. You can see that
Yeah,
38.
Huh? Like
Private IP not accessible over the ISP, right? They don't have the route for the
yes,
public
yes.
IP.
That is a public one, right? The other
Yeah.
one.
This one is from our networking rack. Just I'm showing
Okay.
you how I design my rack so that you
Okay.
can get motivated and you can set up your own lab as well. If you
Sure,
have a
sure.
time. If you don't have the time, you no need to worry. Whenever you have a time, you can do the practice because a lot of the people we have, right? So we
Yes,
need to
yes.
give the equal opportunity. It is not
Yeah.
like that if one people using the 1 hour. So whenever you have a time, you can use it. Make sure that it should not be overlapping. That's all. I don't want to
Okay.
do that. So that's why I'm showing you there. It is my lab. And if you can see that here. Oh, this is my lab and all. If you just remove that things. Basically, it is my lab setup. And if you log out from here. So you can see that you have the BGP and all. It is my setup and all. So just I'm going to show you the how many devices you have. You have the AC, you have the Palo Alto, right? Panorama you have, Windows Server you have, right? Virtual PC you have the vSmart, vBond, we manage these all the devices you have here.
Okay, and how about because I'm a reader, okay, so will I get any books or like hard books and all?
That link I will give you. You
Okay,
can download everything I will give you. No need to worry. Link you have
oh,
the Cisco document. You can go through it. But
okay.
I would like to say you that don't do the printout and all.
Hmm.
Simply you have 1,000, 2,000 pages and all. Yeah, the school class 10, 12 it is gone in these days, right? So digital study, if you're going for that online document and all, you can go through the Cisco doc and all.
Right, but what happened, right? If you'll go for a Cisco document and also there you'll get the use of a document and also again it will get confused at topic I have to cover and what topic I have to
That
leave
link
that
I will give you
particular.
now. You go for the
Okay,
particular link only.
okay,
You
okay.
are not going to the whole document, right? It is my
Right.
responsibility. I will give you
Hmm.
the link.
Okay, okay.
But I would like to say that no need to waste your money into the printout and all. It is simply wasting of the money, nothing else.
Hmm.
So you can see that all the images we have. If you want that, you can set up your lab, then I can help you out. Okay. So guys, so tomorrow we are going to meet on the same time. Okay. Then we can start from that entire blueprint. Then we can start one by one section and then we can go through the theory. Then we can go through the lab. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what would be the timing then? The
Same,
time for
same.
this one? So 9
Same.
to 11, 9 to 11,
Nine,
right?
9 to 10, 1 hour. We don't have the 2 hour, 9 to 10.
Okay, daily one hour class.
1 hour class. And if you are good with that, then I can talk to that Utkars and let's see if the weekend, if you are happy with that weekend, then we can take a 2 hour class, something like that, 2.5 hour. That I need to check with that Utkars. Or if you guys are not available on the weekend, then we need to continue as a daily 1 hour. So anyway, we can. I am happy, but better if you can join that weekend, then it is a very good timing. So weekend timing you can choose as per our group, whatever the timing which is suits for you. So all of you not available on the weekend or how it is Saturday Sunday.
Yeah, basically we're not available so
We are not
weekend
available.
because
Okay,
we
fine.
are working professional. Sometimes we will get only 2 days to we have to give some time, right? So that's the reason we joined this
No,
weekdays.
no problem. So we can continue with the weekdays only.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow. Okay.
yeah, sure, sure. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.